Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for documenting December, and I am going to use this Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file right here. That is called Christmas Memories. Now, full disclosure, for some odd reason my phone decided to do a health update and I did not realize it, even though that you have it on airplane mode. The health, whatever you want to call it, kicked in, and so I didn't catch it until the very end. So lo and behold, even though you have your phone on airplane mode, it still can cut off. But so you'll see most of my mixed media and all of that on camera, and then I'll just come back and explain what I did for the rest of it at the end. So I'm sorry about that, but this is just a normal process video. I'm excited to be back doing all of this. I have been scrapbooking like no tomorrow over the holiday break here while visiting with friends and family and all that kind of stuff. So I have got out a couple of different colors. One of them is from Shimmers, another one is Nouveau, and then another two are from Lindy's. Now they've all come, the Shimmers I get myself, the Nouveau powder one that is right there is, I purchased that, but then the Lindy's all came in little pods or whatever from the Hip Kit, and these two match this collection that I'm using from the Hip Kit Club. Now I just added a little bit on there while I am just adding splatters to this. Now, I did want this splattering to be all over the place. I got a couple of different colors of reds and blues and mints and a little bit of gold just to pop through behind my cut file. My cut file, I backed it with dimensionals from Stampin' Up, and then I used my white cardstock from Close to My Heart. And the kit that I am using is the November-December daily, whatever you want to call it, kit. So yeah, that's pretty much with all the products that I'm using, and it's just pretty much me spraying down, making sure I could get all of these colors to come on. And I cannot believe that my health check showed up. Normally they do it at night on my phone, and for some odd reason it showed up I was doing this like not late evening, because I mean I've been in bed by at least 1 o'clock every night, watching The Witcher on Netflix, because that's what my husband and I have been watching together right now, because I've read the books to The Witcher and played a little bit of the video game. Josh has done the video game, has not read any of it, and I have a good longtime friend that got me into The Witcher with the books, and then him and I did the gaming together, and that was where I learned the gaming. And then, so essentially, that has been in my life. I mean, I am a gamer outside of everything else. I just kind of stopped doing it because it became my life. But the books are really good. The Netflix knocked it out of the park. It's been amazing. Absolutely amazing. I cannot believe it. So, but essentially everything else here is just splattering, going down, making sure it looks good. I just wanted to add a bunch of different things to it. I added a bunch of white splatters. You'll see that come in here shortly. I just wanted to always make sure that my background, you saw a lot of it, but it was still the hints of it. Obviously, the still shots are definitely at the end. Make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. I will link that down below along the direct link to this particular one. She uploaded while we were doing December Madness, or whatever she called it. It was crazy. We're all on break right now, so that is awesome. So this whole break, you won't see actual like design team stuff from any of us until about the middle of January. She gave us almost a full month off because we were running for her sales and all that stuff in the month of December, just knocking it out. So you had something from us every day. But she uploaded about 60 or a little over 60 cut files that just pretty much match. our documenting December. Now, she did ask us quite a bit about what we would like to see and all of that. So some of it is because it's kind of a little geared towards to what we do in our traditions, but hopefully you can be able to find a bunch of them. She has an amazing line and whatnot. So this is where you will see me start to work on it. I get out a couple of different things, and then we will roll over into me talking and making sure everything to let you know what is all there. Now, I do splatter some more red on top. You will see that I did add more of the splattering after, obviously, while I was filming, but you're not seeing it. I did add more off camera. I did add sequins, all that kind of stuff, but that will all be explained. So I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. I enjoy you guys here. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday break. The still shots are definitely at the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe. And while you're watching me just look at this for a while, I am going to get a black piece of paper, and then this is the part where it just cuts out, that you will see me working on it, and then that's it. So without further ado, I will leave you with me talking the rest of it the way through. This was doing its thing. It was recording all of this stuff, and after I've completely finished, I went up to hit pause and realized that Verizon decided to do its health check on its phone and cut me out after 3 minutes. So you guys did see that I put this down, and I was putting it down. So now I want to come back and show you the end result, because this is what you got. So I put a bunch of stickers. There is a shaker pocket that is not really quite a shaker pocket. I just wanted the sequence in there of different ones. I am going to put these sequence mixes, the rest of it around. I did use up the stickers. I did do some fussy cutting here. These are some stickers of the cookies and just a little bit. And then I edged the end of it around with the black. I did put the gray on. And then I splattered a little bit more of the red, which is from Nuvo, the shimmer powder, and it's the Catherine wheel, just to add a little bit extra on there. So I am sorry that my phone decided to do a wellness checkup here, and everything is good on my phone, but my video is not. So that is what it is. So there it is. I did put, the title is Cookies. I did put Ho Ho Ho, captured December traditions, which they do their sugar cookies always on Christmas Eve, which we will be doing we'll be doing here shortly. So I really loved how this turns out, and I hope that you check out, like, and subscribe to my channel. I am so grateful for all of my supporters that I have, and I hope that you come back soon. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!